Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool Miss right here. And basically what this is a laundry basket and used to put your laundry in here. So you can definitely put like your dry clothes, your wet clothes, or whatever you guys want to put in here. That's up to you guys. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when we open up, you guys can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let's open up all the way and show you guys what it actually looks like. So when you guys open up, you guys can see it's pretty big. Definitely really cool how to give you guys a handlebar option. So that way you guys carry around if you guys want to. And the way how to design it, it definitely gives you guys a very nice grip inside as well. But you definitely feel the overall material on here is pretty high quality. They mention how the bag is waterproof, so if you guys want to use this when it's raining or if it has a lot of liquid or whatever, you should be fine. And obviously for the product, it is collapsible or foldable, so it's like this. So you can see once you guys fold it back up, this is basically what it looks like. If you do want like a completely foldable basket or like bag for laundry, you can definitely go for like the mesh one, but this is what it looks like for this one right here. You guys can definitely feel the material on here is much higher quality than like the mesh bags. So if you guys want to put like super heavy stuff or you guys want to put a lot of clothes on here, it definitely has that support to actually carry all your laundry in here. If you guys take a look at the inside, you can definitely see it's very spacious and definitely put a lot of stuff on here. Like if you guys want to put like 5 or 10 jacket, you can probably definitely fit all of that in here. And the way how to design the bottom part definitely give you guys a good support. So if you just want to put it flat down on the ground, you definitely can. Let me just bring the camera over to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so right here we have the laundry bag. If you can see, this is basically what it looks like when you guys install it. And we do have some clothes inside. I'm not sure if you can see or not. But you can definitely put it down like that if you guys want to. And when you guys lift it or carry it up, you guys can see how easy it is. But you can definitely feel the overall product. It feels like a high quality product. But it's not like super portable to the point where you guys can just carry it around and fold it back up like a mesh laundry bag. If you guys are curious about what I mean, let me show you guys what I mean. So if you can see, this is basically what I'm talking about. So this is the laundry bag that I've been using for quite some time. And this is like a mesh laundry bag that looks pretty cool. But the thing about this bag versus this one right here is the fact that the material on here is not as high quality as this one. But this one is a lot more compact and portable, because with this one you guys can fold it back up into like a small little thing, whereas this one you guys have to like fold it back up, but it still looks pretty big and bulky. But when you guys do like a side-by-side comparison, you guys can see that both of them looks pretty good and definitely has a good support. This one probably has a lot more support than this one right here because of the material that's used right here. But this is basically like a comparison between both of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can see when you guys put it on the ground, it definitely has that support to hold it up, which is definitely pretty cool. So for these kind of bag, I would say that it's more ideal for people who want to use like outdoors. I feel like the best kind of laundry bags or laundry basket to use, especially if you guys are using it at home instead of going outdoor to use it. You probably want to get like those mesh laundry bags. Those are probably better. But those are not as high quality as these laundry bag or laundry basket right here. So that's definitely something to kind of consider when you guys are purchasing like laundry bags or laundry basket. Whether you guys want portability or if you guys want more sturdiness. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys do plan on using these laundry bags like outdoor instead of like indoor for like apartments or condos, then you definitely want to get like the mesh bags. But if you do plan on using it for outdoor stuff, then it's probably more ideal for you guys to get this bag in particular because it is heavy duty and it is waterproof as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.